Hey everybody, this is Todd at Driftwood Builders Roofing. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about flashing. So you can see this flashing that goes up behind the wall. See if I can point to it. There's the wall, there's the siding. So that piece of flashing goes 4 inches behind the siding, 4 inches out here over the shingle. The important part that I want to relay today is when we replace a roof, we don't replace that flashing. It's galvanized metal, there's nothing wrong with it, it's all good. But we do pull it out of the way, get the old shingles out of the way, and then reinstall it. As you can see here, this roof was replaced more than once because that's an old nail hole, that's a screw. So we recently replaced this roof, and these days, compared to the old days of Driftwood Builders before we knew better, and I must say most of our competition still does not know better, we use a screw instead of a nail. So on the left is a nail, on the right is a screw with a grommet on it. That nail, over time, will back its way out, maybe 10 years into the roof, and then start letting water in, versus a 2-inch wood screw holding that flashing in place. Major difference. So make sure you hire a roofing company that's doing it right. Call Driftwood Builders Roofing.